So what I have in this spray bottle is 1 cup of vinegar, and I'm gonna match it with equal parts water. So I've got a cup of water. I'm going to pour in this as well. Here's my cup. Then we're gonna add in 1 tablespoon of dish soap. So I have our magical soap, scum, and hard water stain remover here. What it says to do is to spray this all over in your shower where you have the hard water stains, your soap, scum. Let this sit for 15 minutes after you spray it, and then take a soft bristle scrub brush and scrub off the inside of your shower walls. I'm really interested to try this because I live in the country. Hard water stains are hard here. So let's go ahead and spray this on. I'm going to show you guys what my shower looks like before. We're going to spray this on, let it sit, but I'm really interested to see how this works because these hard water stains have been in my shower and they're getting worse and worse and worse, and nothing I am buying over the market, including bleach, is getting these off the way I want. So I'm really excited to try this mixture. I don't know if the camera is really picking it up, but in person it's a lot harsher. It's kind of hard to see. You guys can kind of see the watermarks there that just kind of look like stripes. Maybe you can see it better down here. Those are the hard water stains in the bathtub in my shower. This is in my master. I'm really excited to spray this on and see how it works. I really want to get these off the shower walls. Here's my faucet here. I'm really excited to see how that works, especially you guys can see down in here. I'm excited to try to get that stuff off as well. That's pretty gross. Right in here, I don't even know what these little handle things are for, honestly, but I'm hoping that it gets all that off as well. So I'm going to take everything out of my shower, spray it down, and hopefully this will do the job here. Our mixture here, I'm making sure that I'm really getting up underneath here on the faucet where I showed you guys. Same here. And this going to give everything a really good spray. The smell with this stuff isn't that bad considering that it is a lot of vinegar. I did a cup of vinegar, a cup of water, and then the tablespoon of dish soap. It's not terrible. It could be a lot stronger with the vinegar in here, but it's not bad if you're concerned, because I know vinegar can kind of stink. It's not everybody's cup of tea, but it really doesn't smell that bad. The fumes aren't that bad in here either, but I am going to turn my vent on in my bathroom just to prevent any future stink that might happen. But I'm kind of interested to see if this will do well on the faucet in my sink as well in my bathroom. So I'm going to spray this on my faucet and around the rim of the bottom of the faucet and see how this does on that as well. So I'm just going to spray this down here where I get some soap, scum, and residue. And I'm interested to see if it's going to take it off on here as well. So I'm going to set a timer for 15 minutes. I'm going to come back and scrub this off with a brush and see if it really is the magical shower cleaner. So this has been sitting for 15 minutes and I am ready to kind of scrub away here and see how well this worked. I've read online that this is supposed to be like the miracle soap, scum, hard water stain remover, and I am interested to see how well that this actually works, because I'm genuinely in the market to find a product that'll work well for the hard water I have living out in the country. So I've got just a regular towel here. You know what? I would say that worked pretty well on this faucet for sure, especially down here in this area. It got like every ounce of soap, scum, and gunk out from around here. That's amazing. Now I'm excited to see what it did on my shower walls. Down here, and I'm interested to see if this stuff down here is gonna come off just as easily or not. Wow, that came right off. I barely even had to scrub that. That's amazing. This dried quite a bit, so I'm just gonna spray it down and give it a fresh wipe. But wow, I cannot believe that. That's amazing. Wow, that's crazy to me. Wow, that's awesome. Can you see how shined that looks? That looks brand new. I'm super excited to see what this did to my shower walls now. I'm gonna give my shower walls a fresh spray that seemed to work best on the hardware on the sink and in the shower. So I'm gonna give everything a fresh spray, and then I'm going to scrub the walls and see how well this worked on the hard water stains on the shower walls. So what I'm noticing here on the shower walls is it's doing a great job on the soap scum, but not so much on the hard water stains. It's definitely making them lighter, less noticeable, but it's not taking them away completely, at least not yet. I'm gonna see what happens if I scrub a little bit more. I am noticing here, scrubbing in the tub and stuff, it is taking a lot of the hard water stains out and a lot of the soap scum. It's definitely working. The more I scrub, the longer I scrub. I think if I had a harder brush or a harder sponge, it would take it right out. So I think that this is amazing. I think I would use, or I know I would use this again for sure. The fumes are a little much now that I'm in here really scrubbing. It's been sitting a while. So I would definitely recommend turning on your fan and kind of circulating some air. If it's warm outside, you have a window, open that bad boy up. I think that would do a lot. But this gets an A+ from me, and I'm excited to try this in more areas of my home. So can you guys see all that hard water stains? Hang on, the camera's trying to focus. There you guys go. Can you guys see it? I want to try to show you guys what's happening as I'm scrubbing. Hopefully my camera will stay in focus, but you guys see how amazing that is? Look, just so you guys can see, still scopes on the bottom, but not on the top. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this shower clean with me. I make videos like this all the time over here on this channel. I post a couple times a week here on this channel teaching you how to clean, cleaning hacks, all those things. Make sure you subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in another one. Bye.